What's good, Hexicans and crypto Bitcoin fiends? Just want to give you a quick update as usual. Right now, Hex is trading under 20 cents. Bitcoin is trading under $60,000, and Ethereum is just above 4,380. So if we go straight into the Bitcoin chart, this is here on the daily. You see we're still clearly above the 200 moving average, what is good to see. And as well, we had actually a correction from the all-time high. So right now, I would like to see that we actually go below, or sorry, above the 50 moving average, and then eventually we're going to crawl our way up. Might have some rejection here on that trend line, and then break through. But as well, keep in mind this could be already like a bear market and a double top. And if this is like a sort of double top here from 65k to what is that, almost 67k, we might go down, and it's gonna, we can correct from here easily, guys. Like we can correct from here like 80%. Why not? Let's go down 80%. Boom, $13,000. Is that possible? I don't think so. It's too much money printing going on, too much inflation, pandemic, and yeah, people are sort of scared, what to do, and they look for hedges. And I do believe that we can actually be in a super cycle, but if not, don't be surprised if this is happening. That's why you should always dollar cost average. If we go into the Hex chart right now, we see that we're still here, or we're actually just touching here the 200 moving average. So I hope we're gonna just bounce up from it, and we're gonna stay in that uptrend as well, So if we go here on the weekly, I don't want that we break it. If we do, it would not be good. But, even then, sooner or later, we're going to recover it. This is just technical analysis, and technical analysis is not like 100% guaranteed what will happen anyways. Like we can break this line here and then shoot all the way up. Like no one has a crystal ball. It's not that easy as people make it. And if you actually want to make money, just buy, hodl, stake, and be patient. And then you're going to get paid, And that's why I want to show you actually the following side. So you see right now, we're still here actually clearly in an uptrend, So we have to go maybe to like 15, 16 cents. And I don't think it's going to happen, that we're going to go below it, because there are some market orders, some limit orders in place. And this is what I want to show you. So if you go on metric dollar exchange, actually on 0xtracker.com, you see all the decentralized exchanges where you can trade Hex, or where you can buy it, and where you can do limit orders. So if you go, for example, from 0xtracker.com to metric, then you end up here. Then you can connect it to your MetaMask, what you have here on the right hand top, and then you can go for the pair you want to trade with, and then you can actually see the order book, and then you will see as well what is going on and how people actually react to the market. It's all open source, open protocol, and visible, what is amazing about decentralized exchanges. This is not the case scenario on Binance or other exchanges which are centralized, because they can be highly manipulated. So if you look into it here, you see, for example, if the price goes down to 15 cents, we have big orders coming in here for 20,000, here for 38 or 37,000, 10,000, 20,000. This is even below 15, just 11 cents, So you see there's way more going on, and yeah, I don't really believe that we're going to go below 15 cents, or actually below this trend line. I don't think we're going to go below 15, 16 cents. It could happen though, it could happen, and then we're still going to recover, because we are pre-viral, that's for sure. As well, you can check out Hex, look into hex.com, where you can see a comparison and a heat map, etc. So this is a really, really cool site. I just want to give some credit to it, and you guys should check it out. I'm just gonna put it down below as well for you guys, so you can click on it and do a bit of an invention, And then another nice website I want to show you is hex.vision, hex.vision.com. So this is really, really, really cool as well, because like Hex is actually the only product what shows us the future action of the market. So people are stake Hex to get paid by the inflation, because they hold the price up. And we see here, for example, that 10% of the current supply is staked, 9.77. As well, we see the current addresses, So this is something you can follow up with, and this is growing this is growing steady from the last weeks, months, and whatsoever. I don't think they're all individual addresses like me, myself, and I have like 6 different wallets, you know. So I'm sure like this is maybe 200,000 individual addresses, you know, on people holding HEX, and this just shows us how early we are in the market. So, for example, you can go here on staking, and then if you want to make a staking contract on hex.com, what I can show you as well another time, but I'm gonna put the link in the description, that you can sort of time it for what time frame you want to lock up your HEX for, you know. You see here as well on hex.vision the penalties people pay when they actually not commit to their promise, etc., etc. But yeah, just to give you a rough idea, just check it out. For example, that you see here, like that big stakes, for example, and on yeah, the 3rd or the 17th of March 2030, you know. So I would, for example, suggest now to maybe do one stake or just finishing before those big people actually finishing with high volume, you know, because they might dump some liquid on the market, and it's gonna cause yeah, a price fluctuation. You know, as we know that in HEX, in Bitcoin, we have to be honest, and we always dump like up to 80%, and it's just in the game plan, and it's just part of it. We always get paid by the impatient, and yeah, just don't get irritated by it and be long term here. And yeah, talk with people about HEX, blockchain, crypto, and decentralized finance in general, you know. So if you go on hex.com, it looks a bit like a scam, to be fair, but it's just actually real, you know. And it shows yeah, the ability or what it actually does, and it's not talking too much crap around the bush as many other projects over there, you know. It's a, yeah, censorship resistant with no party risk certificated deposit on the Ethereum blockchain, or it's a very, very famous product with any bank. The only difference is this one is high volatile, and you got to be patient to get paid. So yeah, I hope you probably all hexicans already. If not, go here, connect it with your wallet, and then you go on stake, and then you can do your staking contracts, etc. So yeah, just as a resume, I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe if you got something out of it, and yeah, have a safe, blessed Sunday. Thank you.